Hello, hello, hello.
Hello. I don't know if this is working or not. I don't see it moving here. Is my mic working? My mic working? Okay, so it is working. Good. Okay, let's see what we get here. That's my camera working. What issues? It's an annoying morning. Annoying already. Why isn't this working? There you go. I think we're good now. I think we're working now. What is going on? Let's start the stream. Fun. Crappy day yesterday, so I guess I had to be crappy to start today. It probably just took that long. 507 contracts sitting at 35, 700 650s. It's probably where we go. Yep, that's probably what I should have took. Got some trades earlier. We're down 575. Took out 4 trade day accounts yesterday, which was fun. And a take profit trader. So it was a good day. Yesterday was brutal. Brutal fucking trading. For me anyway. Should have made money. Was in a long. Totally set up. Got out of it. Went short. Market pumped. And that's how it went. You can't win them all. But you shouldn't lose that much either. $110 left on his 2-minute. Head and shoulders on the 15 and the 5. But along so many contracts sitting up there. 512 at the 635s, and 700 at 650s. So I don't know. I was worried of getting short right here. I'm getting long. What wins? Contracts or patterns? You know what I mean? See where this candle closes. Maybe we'll try a long. Just a small one, like a scalp for now. 20 seconds left on it. Bouncing off the 9 too. Wanted to push up again quick. Don't like how it dumped right down very fast though. That'll make you nervous. We're not going to take that. Sweep all those lows. Hang around down there. See, this could be the head and shoulders too, right? Just couldn't do it. Couldn't do it with all the friggin' contracts up there. Didn't feel safe. Swept that a bit now. 310 left on the 15. Gonna try a little one here. Now to swept those little wicks on the 15 because I want to pump up quick. Might not want to. Time we got 7:12. So we got time. We got time. Contracts, man. I don't know. Make me nervous. I'd be short here normally. But we didn't touch in this fair value gap. We got all them contracts sitting up here. Market loves to take that stuff out before it moves down. I normally don't like this big close below the 9. But we're scalping, so what do you do? Scalping. I don't trust that little fair value gap just set up there. I can see the thing. Keep it on just cause, but basically break even. Like to see this squeeze up. But like I said, with the head and shoulders, I wouldn't really bet on it. Wouldn't really bet on it. Maybe it does. Maybe it does. But it is at the 20, so we're going to move it up here. See if we get that push. Ace one. My cat. He likes to claw me. Yeah, that's fine for now. That's fine. I don't trust anything. I don't trust those contracts. It makes me go against that head and shoulders. Which I know plays out. I trade it all the time. Oof. Right leg. That would bring us down to the neckline. Then look for it to bounce and try to look to get it in again, I guess. It's hard to go against the head and shoulders. Even through his contracts up there. We will see. Then it's taken a while. I'd like to see it quicker. One minute left on the 5. We'll see. $505 contracts up at the 635s, and 703 650s, and 205 at the 665s. So it's a head and shoulders pattern, but there's a lot of volume up to the upside. Kind of an indecision candle there. Right here, so I don't know if we're gonna, we did push back up a good bit. Start moving down. Put on another contract or 2 or 4. Micros. shoulder pattern on a 15, but you have a lot of liquidity to the upside. See what happens. I like just flush down to the neckline, then get our bounce. For the next big push down, if we don't run up and take that liquidity afterwards. "35 seconds left in the 5-minute candle." All that liquidity on it to the upside is a draw. Probably wants to go take that first. There is a fair value gap on the 15 too. It didn't touch into, so might want to balance that first before it goes down. I don't know. Or just want to stop me out a couple times before it does. Could want to do that too. There we go. Either too early or it wants that liquidity. 510 contracts sitting at 635, so maybe it wants to squeeze up, or at least get up into that, balance that fair value gap on the 15. So that's it. We just have to wait. Wait and see if we get a push down or up. It's underneath the 9 good though, right? Like, that's what I keep thinking. It's underneath the 9. Once it gets back above the 9, I guess. $205 left in the 15-minute candle. Looks like it's going to leave a wick. Since we can't get the bigger time frames to play out, try some scalping. "35 seconds left on the 15-minute. Almost new hour too, so be careful. Does it go for that liquidity up, or does it go for the fair value gap down on the 15? See if we can get a scalp in here. This plays out. Head and shoulders on the 15 and on the 5. And liquidity up, so this is either going to pump up to that liquidity, or we're going to follow through with this head and shoulders pattern. Take a little scalp here. And I don't like that we're in the channel in the center of it, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Because fuck it, why not? Underneath the 9. Center that channel. I don't know. Kind of a little indecision candle over here on the 15 too. So it kind of made me think we're gonna get a little pump, but we are below the 9, and we're in the middle of this channel, so God knows. God fucking knows, man. See what happens. there we go. Like I said, that little indecision candle on the 15 made me think it was probably going to push back up a little bit. Maybe not go crazy, but still push up. Step around here somewhere, just in case it falls off a cliff like it does. We are at the top of that channel. It's been that kind of day, man. It's been just scalping all night. Market's been really jumpy. Pump and dump and pump and dump. It's like, fuck. "12 seconds left. I'd like to see this candle close up here somewhere. And go for another scalp. These trades I lost because I was trying to go with this head and shoulders pattern. Got in 8 here, dropped, or pumped, took me out. Got in again, come down, took me out, pop back up. I was like, alright. Okay, so no patterns right now. 110 left on a 2-minute, so we can close up high. We'll look to take it short, back down in that little range. Gotta close right up to the high of this. And look for something back down here then. Get out. I'm gonna try not to go too crazy today. Tried to take it easy. Rough day yesterday, so I don't want to do it again today. After a bad day, you gotta take it back a little bit. It's got 203 contracts at 622s, so it's kind of hard to get short. I'm going to take one, but I don't know if it's going to play out. Just because they put that 203 contracts there. So, and that's right at the 22s. Just above my stop loss. So was it smart? I don't know. We'll see. Find out in about 20 seconds or so. As much as it's in this little channel, it could be a double bottom too. I don't know. It's worth a shot though. Friggin' Thursday already. It's crazy. This fucking week flew. Time is flying. when you're blowing up accounts. Time flies. Pretty crappy week. What, 8 accounts gone? For sure. Maybe more. Crazy. It's like 2 or 3 take profit traders. 4 trade days. Man. And my funded trade day account blew that up too. So just been a week. Volatility's been nuts though. And I don't mean just like good trending or even good like ranging. It's just been the wicks, man. It's been crazy. You get in and you're up a couple $100 and then dump down, take you out, and continue. I don't know how many times I had that happen to me over this week. Over this month, I should say. Fucking glad I like summer, but I'll be glad when all this is over and it's like in the fall and we can start pushing again. Not that we're not pushing, but you know what I mean, just not so choppy. But now some people like that. They like trading like this. They find it fine. But for me, holy, it fucking chews me up all the time. Like I can't do anything with it. That's why I trade the pre-market all the time. Normally, I traded all day yesterday, pretty much. Started streaming at 6:30, and I think I don't know, I streamed till 12 or so, or 1. And then I still trade it until market close. And that's where I blew up the other 2 accounts. I was like, yeah, that worked out. So today I'm going to take it nice and light. Come on for a little bit, trade, take it easy. Down under 500, totally fine with that. I don't mind 500 because on a good morning I can make 500 in no time. So I don't mind losing 500 in a day. Well, I find once I get down to like 1,000 or something like that, that's when I start going hard and I end up blowing it because I double down when I take riskier trades than I normally would. Like even this is kind of risky with those contracts sitting up there at the 22s, but we were kind of in that channel, and we do kind of have a double bottom, but it's not very strong. So I think it could be enough to push it down. But we'll see. New 15-minute candle and 145. Maybe don't do anything today until the news at 10 my time. So it's unemployment claims US, so it's gonna move the market like crazy. A lot of equal highs, literally where my stop is. Smart place to put it. Makes a lot of sense. Did really good in the overnight. Fucking scalping, man. Did wicked. Worked it awesome. This morning, not so much. I was down, I think yesterday, I was down 575. Brought it up to pretty much break even. I think I was 100 away. And then I started trading early this morning around London Open. And yeah, that's when I brought it back up, I guess. But I started again later on. It's been terrible ever since. So, I don't know. Does it want to go to the 15-minute fair value gap? That's what it feels like. They pulled those contracts at the 22s. They're gone now. They had 200 there. They still got the 500 contracts at the 35s. And if I was a betting man, alright, looky there. I should just go long. Like a couple contracts. I just did, apparently. I didn't even try that. I'd say it'll pull the 500 contracts once it gets up there anyway. But now that we're above that, the 9 and 34 EMAs, so could be interesting. Little dip back down to the 9 maybe? 9's the green line, if you don't know. 34 is the gold one. Five seconds left. Cat comes in the camper with me and just licks. Makes it fun. Right, I don't know. What this is going to do. But I really feel like we should get a pump here. Right? Got that fair value gap up there. Got all them contracts sitting up there. Why wouldn't it pump? Wouldn't that make sense? Right? Take it to 500 contracts at the 35s. They might pull them anyway, but it's not the point. It should try to make a move up there. Gonna try it anyway. What odds? 131. Just moving the same one down. That makes sense. Just see if we can get that bounce up there. Got back above the 9 EMA. We can close above it and a little up. Be a lot more confident. That's not filling me with confidence. And that's why. And now rip up. Ugh, fuck. Yeah, I don't know. Why? Why would it do that? Well, I know why it would do it, but fuck is it doing it for? 45 seconds left. Is this just fucking... Right? Like... Am I stupid? I feel stupid. I literally feel stupid right now. I can normally trade. I can't trade today. Does it want to sweep that? Does it want to just stay in its little fucking channel? What does it want to do? Maybe it doesn't want to do anything. Pop up, pop down. Normally the markets are so good, pre-market. It's like so nice, just easy. It's like, oh, I got $400 or $500 made, nice. Then I'll get cocky and I'll go trade the fucking, go trade the open. I'll usually do okay, but it's after the open. After like the first half hour, that's when I start blowing right up. Just, it gets like this, but just faster. It just tears me to shreds. Or it'll, even like the slow grinds up or down, tears me up, because I'll get in, it'll come down, take me out, and then I'll go smaller size, get in, put it down further, come down, take me out, move back up. It's like, oh, well, fucking. It's like, what's the point? Why even trade it? But like shit like this, same thing. Like, why even trade this? Like, this is just fucking garbage. Right, 44 seconds. Technically, if I was trading like scalping, let's just pretend this is just scalping. So, okay, we're at 20. We're at top of this little... Oh, it's gonna pump now. Watch it pump. I'm not even joking. It's gonna rip. 25 seconds. Normally I wait for the top of this candle. Even if it closes kind of flat, I'll look to get short and take it back down to like the bottom of that range. Right? We got 10 seconds left. Let's just see. We're gonna try it. We're just gonna try it. Okay. So we're looking to take it back down here. If it wants to stay in the range, let's try to trade this range. Doesn't want to go up. Doesn't want to go down. So it's got to do something. Can't stay in one spot. So let's see what happens. $120 left on the candle. It normally don't start really moving and picking its direction until like 1 minute. more later. This time it went down, bounced off the 9, like we talked about earlier. And now it's going to run up. And take me out. Fucking beautiful. Oh, I should turn off my camera. I shouldn't have anybody see me smoking. Shouldn't have to look at that. Yeah, so that really fucking blows. Watch it go to that fucking fair value gap on the 15. Alright, just enough of a dip to screw me over. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Really helps. Especially with these terrible days. Give a like that I'm doing bad, right? It helps. There you go, bud. Here's your like. Come on, push down. Looks like I was too earlier, and it looks like it wants to push up. Next candle's still closed above the 9, so it might push up. But then again, it's not doing anything I'm calling lately, so, well, today. These are not my kind of markets. Does it push down? Big wick on the 5 to the upside with 35 seconds left. But again, that doesn't mean anything on this market. Now my cat is snoring. Perfect. this is gonna go down. Maybe this is just opposite day. Maybe I should just do opposite what I think all the time. Is it actually going to get down there, I wonder? Seconds left on a 2-minute. Just in case it screams up. Oh, market sucks today. Pre-market is normally so much better than this. Unemployment claims today too, so below the 9. That doesn't mean anything today. It means nothing. Fucking be sad if it wasn't so fucking funny. And like, these are micro trades, like, you know what I mean, micro fucking scalps here. And I'm still getting chewed up. Be sad if it wasn't so fucking hilarious. Mark's just like, nope. Each time I trade, each direction. At least that one was break even ish. Not as bad. Hey, look at it. Look at this little fucking range. Oh, God. It's got a head and shoulders set up, so you think it will go down. It's got a fair value gap up there, so you think it will want to balance, so go back up. And it's also got 500 contracts sitting up there in the fair value gap, so you think it want to go up. But what is it doing? It's chopping, trying to decide what it wants to do. And here I am trading it, getting tore up. If you need any accounts to take Profit Trader, please use code JW. Really appreciate it. And Trade Day, JWT, because they didn't have JW. Lead Trader Funding too, link in the comments. If you need any accounts to them, they always got deals. 90% off all the time, which is good for people like me that blow accounts a lot. So you can get them for like 16 bucks American. So I just grab them and fucking blow them up, use them for entertainment for myself and the stream. But my Take Profit Trader funded account was sad, really sad. I blew that one. And my trade days. And my other Take Profit Traders. Had a shit week. Boom, 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 boom. Is somebody else then? Well, man, that's it for me. If you need any accounts, take Profit Trader. Please use code JW. Everything else I just said. Have a good day. Fuck the markets today. I'm done. I'm not looking at this. Maybe open. Look for the opening range breakout. But yeah, that's it. Have a good one. Don't get stuck in the noise. Peace out, man.